Do you honestly believe that Talita is entitled of the money that she stole at Betchafela? Because she's giving us a story that I've worked hard for this money before you were even part of it. Now you sit on the chair 2 seconds, now you want to control everything. I did not steal. Ke madi ya me ana, ke a bereketse kgale le papa how before you become part of it. So do you think that she deserves that money? And if she does, why did she go the route of stealing it? Why did she not do the things above board and do applications if needs to be? Or was it because o nagana gore ha e tla ko letlhakoreng la di-divorce he a ka se kry madi ao because she was not going to qualify based on the I don't know the restrictions that divorce. But the bottom line is, does she deserve to have that money based on Hakere? She was married to Hopolo, and she's saying that she built the company from scratch and then Hopolo divorced her and then says she's entitled to nothing. Now that she feels that she has worked hard for this money and now that the company belongs to her own children, do you think that she took the right route for her to actually obtain the money? Because at this point, Victor's still sleeping in the hospital. He's not awake at this point in time. Whether the consequences belongs with Taps, but the bottom line is she was the one that started it. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanbonani Abshin Molweni Minjani. Hivukile Hingongwina. I forgot to send him a dekwana. Hivukile Hingongwina. So namuntlha ka nona kwa hina wa scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that after everything was said and done with Uteps, he then decided to go and put a trap on his mother to find out if she was the one that was working with Victor. According to his mind, he thought that his mother will never do anything like that, and then he decided that he was going to trap her into saying that the auditors are investigating the matter and it will be concluded tomorrow. So by tomorrow, they will know who took the money. Now, Talita had to call a flight and book a flight, and she wanted to exit South Africa effective immediately. And then that did not really quite go well because Teresa came through and she was telling her how everybody else is checking upon themselves and never cared to check on her. She was divorced, she does not have money, and now she feels gore ke nnetla nong gore a tsamaye a o checkela ba losika la hae just to freshen up, and detox from all the toxicity that has been happening around her, and because ngwana hae a shule o tletse naga. So that was her explanation, and Teresa did not believe that. Oh, in fact, Teresa believed it, and then she warned Teresa not to tell her brother. Oh well, Moromo Daramadi, she went and told the brother, and then the brother came and confirmed gore pila pila o utswetsa bana ba hao, and she was like, no, I did not, because I worked for this company from scratch and you were not there. Right, right. On the other side of memes, it looks like Poco and Toriso are really not at a good state now, because the mother did not receive the taba e ya di meme shapo, and then they went ahead by ko Tebogo ko level C. Ibe a mo tlapa, and then Tebogo are, you know what, I'm not going to allow you to do this to me, because the contract that I signed was for me to do a phone call. Tsetsa gore ke tlo shapiwa mo mmerekong, le nkentse matlho ke tla le ko social media. That will never be me and is not part of my plan, and I don't believe that that should be me. As I'm pressure the charges as we speak, Mama Kapoko jailbird. Now she's asking Hore, can she go back now? Can Poco go back and speak to her so that she can drop the charges and then free her, because she does not belong there, and that whole thing was a misunderstanding. Now Poco went and spoke to Buyi, said, Buyi, you need to speak to Tebuho because you are the one that orchestrated this whole matter. You need to speak to her. Hore, she must drop the charges. Bure ari guy pano. Nambona na mabi no tula. That is not one thing I'm going to do. When you sort out the buho, na I sort out a pocket, because as it is, we are half a million. We have half a million subscribers, and we've got to go for an interview because Toriso have gained herself an interview, and it is a paying gig. Yo, Boko Ashu, you know what? I don't understand if you've got ears or not. I'm telling you that my mother is in jail because of the things that you've done, and then you don't seem to care. But what are you caring about? You have secured as a gig. We don't care about the gig. I foresee this being cancelled. Like, Bui always come, mess up, and leave. Come, mess up, and leave. Like Kori, every time she comes, she mess up and leaves. Now, yes, they have half a million subscribers, but now at what cost? Because now it's costing their marriage. I foresee them coming through to live and telling the truth instead of going with their lies. Well, I hope. Anyway, with the hope that we have right now, Umthunzi, Dintle, Madlomo, hey, Ndloso, kunzima, because now if you remember in the previous episode, Ndloso was in a dinner setup, no Dintle, and then Umthunzi was busy laughing with Untutuku. Yo, asizwa motho atakuwa dinta matafula ushaya enye ingane yeah, and then Tutuko was the one to rescue the both of them. Thereafter, it was not a very good picture that he was anticipating to go and explain to his girlfriend, because mafika lapho uthole umntanakhe, okay, well, not umntanakhe, uthole uMadlomo akhona nomntanakhe. And then now, uMadlomo was just told by Buhle that, you know what, esikoleni bathengise izinto zamavali-vali, so I can buy some vali-vali for you to give him tunes. And then she was like, no, mna, I'm old. I don't do this Valentine thingy. I'm an old person now. And she was like, no, but you can vuselela uthando lakho. Umalume Mthunzi was gonna like it. And then Malume Mthunzi walks in, and then unegazi. That's when they started asking what was happening, and then he explained how Ndloso attacked him. And then now umntana bese uyabuza ukuthi, okay, fine, you know what, I've heard whatever that you said, but I want to apologize for my father's sake, because at the end of the day he is still my father. So ngiyamxolisela ke ukuthi ngicela lento le ingaphindi yenzeke ke. Now Dintle did not feel ha ikutlwa sharp, because when she was asked, okay, Madlomo, and then she said no, it was just a small misunderstanding, and then asalweli Madlomo, indoda yomunye umuntu uhlala uyikhulumela njalo, indoda yomunye umuntu uhlala nje, you are just going to keep on covering because vele vele akakuthandi, unomuntu wakhe amthandayo, amthanda ngenhliziyo yakhe, and that is uMadlomo. So now she says no, it was just a misunderstanding and it was never a big deal. I saw everything on social media, so you don't have to explain. Basathi bayakhuluma-ke bese kuqhamuka-ke umthunzi uthi, you know what, if you've got something to say it to me straight, because the next time you pull that stunt that you did, uzozithola imbila zithutha mfana wami. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please do remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Also remember, we do not post full episodes here, we only review full episodes.